Kev seeming to master how to half eat these crest things. He's completely annihilated what is in there. I don't know whether Achilles had any, but Kermit is looking a bit jealous of him being out. But he's seemed really keen to show me how he was eating these crests, so I thought I'd share it with everybody else. Keeps nearly falling over. I know that may sound a bit mean, but I absolutely love it when they topple. It's like that. He absolutely loves it. I'm really surprised that they took to it so well, these guys, because Ali hasn't had any of hers. I have to try and figure out what kind of greens I can get her. But it also shows just how light these birds are, that they can balance on such thin plastic. I love seeing them eat. Something just so cute about them. When they take a couple of bites, then they look up to make sure that no one's gonna like pounce on them. Such cool little guys. Oop. The way they chew their food. He was eating it out of my hand before, which is really nice. Just like picking a stem and feeding him the end bit. I love these birds so much.